first, you don't got to know what we about. Oh no, maybe nobody be
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss
Until
another.
now, people they wait if you compare me and some other artists, and if you say yeah, like you be like that, yeah, so the thing they do. I go radio where I go talk something. Some, you know, and people want to talk different things. People want, and somebody want to talk in mind, and somebody want to talk. My guy, if I talk, say culture. If you want to sell your culture, sell them. I love my culture. Me, as they born me for Ghana here, I hear on your baby before. I hear on my make before. I hear a whole lot of insult before. But if I entertain people where I put myself into certain things and I talk, make nobody just sound like something like that. Then you go and talk to and why Shatawale? Yes, I know there are kids, there are children, there are people who are watching. But the kind of place that I find myself in this music industry has given me a broad space to speak the truth, to promote, and that is what is helping me. So if you know the fit talk, don't come and talk say like this thing. You understand me? Because me, I explain to my parents, I've seen music so broad that I want to even do music so well. So don't see these things like that, and you go then you go like talk say, but you go but that it be Ghana with you. Ghana where somebody go talk say, oh, kwasi I send here crown say brofo. No come with chimu. Oh, what's the general in here crown say brofo. But who come with chimu? Who come with chimu? Let's be careful with the things we say. One day now, your mama make your mama, which make a baby. Fuck you. If I'm gonna get fuck you. Oh, fuck you. My mama, yes, sir. Don't let us be like we don't love ourselves. Yes, I know Ghana there is a sickness here. You know, make sure ubia. We go now. We shouldn't be. No, it's cool. Something to say, that is how the thing is. We don't just appreciate. We don't just love our natural stuffs. Yeah, look flash, nigga look fly. Oh yeah. Charlie, you see here, Ghana. If you ask Americans where they come Ghana, they go tell you, oh, Ghana is so nice. Any foreigner we go ask you, go come Ghana, go tell you, Ghana will be nice. Make we build this thing. Make we support on ourselves and stop those kind of things. You understand me? And the artists too, you know, they talk to your fans. Talk to your fans. Talk to them. Make them stop that kind of nonsense thing they do. Because some of you say you lose God where you make your fans they talk some things where you know be true. Where you post every day back, you know say you know be true. But man no go we can talk. Because man hype himself, man do something. Oh nonsense that. My guy. You see me, if me I go make push Ghana artists, you go say they go buy houses, they go do things, they go go build factories. You see, you go say if this artist, if me. I will give that pressure because boys bed, boys sleep. You go talk somebody will see you like this thing, and me I don't want to show my things. You go see how many people they will start show them my things soon. You will see how many people they will start show them my things because actually what lady talk there. But those days you don't get time. If they go to radio, TV, they go, you know we don't want to bring out thing child. You know I'm not the type that I don't do that kind of hey Don't be hypocrites. When I talk right now, I can't talk the truth right now. Don't come talk in future, say, and those days where you talk, you know, say you people, you be the kind of people where you like keep your things and make your things look, you know, but this one said, you know, you want to make people know, but people know. Charlie, don't be a hypocrite, don't be a fool. We know guy man life. Oh. Me, I grow for street, I know guy man life. Don't come and see man like and see man like. You know what I'm saying? Don't see things like that. I'm not able to do that way. People they talk to some things for TV if they watch it and they shy for TV. You make it shy. See why they lie? Why they lie? Ghana artists you lie. Ghana artists you boy they lie. Why Ghana artists they lie? Don't lie. Not good, Charlie. I mean, that's why I love my fans. Because you mean, if I don't get money, yeah, my fans will say, Charlie, this guy try. He don't get money. If I get money to here, they don't say, Charlie, try, get money. Don't do anything. Man go do something in Shatta Wale, they like show off, he like free up. But you don't like go DJ Khaled in page and go watch how many. Then you go like Jay-Z things. Some of you dey Instagram, if you say Ghana artists, if you say I know they see. They go like those for them as a boy fool. Move from soon, I mean Jim Khan, I mean Tango Musukra. Sometimes I don't like this thing, girls. Some people quite like some the whole Ghana artists, the whole Ghana artists. The whole Ghana artists. If I make it, make people go check those stars, Jay-Z, even though Jay-Z, those people, you go see Beyonce and things, Ghana artists, they go like, wow, you know, see Beyonce, you know if you do those things for your wife, you know if you do those things for your girls, can't date there, like you say, you be artist, you say. If you pass that way, not if you bring him wife, come out and come do something. So he be carpenter way, no if you bring him wife. He be taxi about. But I say superstar. You see your life, you dey in the hands of people. You for appreciate them. Say God said give people may they care for you. You for appreciate them. Say God give people may they if they go sleep, they think about it. You for appreciate. Say you get people where if they talk about you. You for God put in the care of some people. Let them know you're okay. Are you fools? People genius. They want to say be artist. You know who be artist? You have to thank God. Say God put your life into somebody. Wait, the person they think, hey, Shatta Wale, I like him. He's called Shatta Wale. The person said they write on it. The person said they tattoo himself. When you make Bob, you are soon show. Artist. Man, make Bob soon show because it's Jimmy. And you don't want see the blessing. You want to see yourself like you be doctor, you do surgery. You be doctor, we know they showing white for public. Doctor, you know they showing white for public. Artist. See ya. But they want to say you know music, you know showbiz. They all kind of the church challenge. May they give me 5 artists, top artists. May they come sit my front, show me showbiz. Show me how they run showbiz. Every the showbiz you get year map or every year's syllabus. What Jimmy to do? Shout out to Whiskey and Davido and Burna Boy and all my Nigerian niggas. You people go hit, go can't join you. None artists when they know will join me. They don't go hit for anywhere. Forget, Charlie. No, we say they curse you, but you see their mentality, their mind. You know, hit. Forget. That thing no go happen safe. Before some people you know how to do the thing, you know how to even say code suit and tie matter. Come on for them, make a think for you. That's why politicians have no go free respect you people. I love politicians. Anybody go talk say politician, I go slap the person because politician don't do anything. Me, I can't find out. Say like you go fight for your own, not a politician. You go fight for your own. If you fight politician, go can't help you. What Jimmy do? Don't do that. You want come every day, man go talk something for radio, and they don't go feel explain. You man they talk and shut up. But the thing they talk is nice, but the anger you take. But what make I talk? How make I talk? Make I talk? That thing they talk about. Punchy. I they pay myself say this thing. We both for stop that thing. Ghana, Igbo, yeah. Some of the fans will there. If you tell your artists, may they stop that thing. Because as you do your life, you know the reason why you like some artists for Ghana. You know the reason why you like Shatta Wale. And you know, your mind, you know, so that artist, if you appreciate your life, you say, you know, they pray too much for you. You don't pray too much for your life. You pray for me. Aye. Then if I get something, I want to hide down for me. I don't want to make it see. If my fans see, they go worry me. Oh, they are happy. Oh, they just like say they go on. They believe say they go on. They are happy. Show them, make them nice. Oh, cause see, I can't talk say you don't want to show your thing. You know the type of one. Free out your doctor. We are missing. We are carpenter. And DJ, if you don't want nobody show your things, dodge camera. If you don't want anybody see your things, don't come on TV again. Go and find another job. Go and find maybe some POP guy or something. Or something. Some job where they know if you notice. I see ya. One can show somebody who musician be. Somebody who for be. Charlie, my people, I beg you. Nobody say man ball for this thing. Nobody say man vex for this thing. You understand me? But sometime, we for just understand certain things. This is a broad-based business. You know what interesting show business? It comes with some blessing. That's why I say people didn't think about you. Somebody did somewhere right now. Shatawale. Oh, that person be my brother. If I never see that person for the rest of my life, say that person be my brother. And for the motivator where he maybe they a little border in back some village. I know if you go there, maybe I know go feel meet them. Maybe I go feel go even do show for that. I know go feel see him. But the person they believe. I could send that message to that person say, Charlie, the bandana way they follow we can't tell Shatawale. If you in this, if you do this, if you do that, by God's grace, no be by his strength. But in friends around, you know, they help him. If they do, they talk, say, they do this because in college, this musician, he will get that thing, he will get them. So, Shatta, you try, Charlie. Then first, they like this. You know how many plenty people they like some artists, they leave them or they can't follow me. You know the reason why? Hey, because boy to the CC, Charlie, don't be anything. You understand me? Some of you just don't want to fight for yourself. Me, you see some of me. You see me. I go where my father get down. My father get down. But me, I leave him where I go get to. I walk streets. I see things. Me, I meet poor boys. Me, I'm for say they for revive them myself. They don't revive themselves. So yeah, only God knows. But me, I've been poor before. I poor. Don't see it like that. I see some before. I see when man no figure one just come on one city. And people know, and the people they know that where they follow me for. Shout out to anybody where they use my logo for him. What up? Shout out to anybody where they feel the spirit. They, you know, say yeah, you see what I talk? It be from my heart. I don't will lie anybody. Me, I don't be any special person. I don't be any special person past you people. If you say what God put in me, that be what you put in make it feel special. So if any man no one appreciate, I beg my guys, people, yo, I don't need anybody. Only people I need be Shatta movement. Shatta movement Ghana, Shatta movement Liberia, Shatta movement Nigeria, Shatta movement Uganda, Shatta movement Zimbabwe, Shatta Africa or South Africa, everywhere. I dey talk. Those people I need. Because it's really Shatta movement where I get my inspiration from. Because God did there. God, he did there. Don't see it like that. Make we appreciate. Maybe nobody they can't tell me say me and they like flaunt my things. You know if you tell me anything. You know if you tell me anything. You don't know anything. Nobody can tell me anything. Wise up, tell your artist. You didn't make my business slow. Tell your artist. You did dull my business. If you don't know the business, make you can ask me the teacher. You know you can do some stupid things like that, like you want front something. Here I talk. If you don't want to make anybody know anything about you, go do plumbing. They get plenty plumbers. They don't know any plumber. I don't know any popular plumber. Anybody go tell me where you be popular for Ghana here. Yeah, I know. Don't come and be miseducating people. Miseducate. So lie people, they lie to people. Maybe I just try find some song and knock them my head. Knock. I just want to knock somebody in. Because Charlie, I'm just there. People just want to do the songs like it be something where you know, it be music. Charlie, but your brand, take your brand. Don't come and be lying to people like if you so they for keep the thing, if you so the thing for go, if you so my guy, Charlie, You know what with this thing? Now I do music, any type of music. Listen to this one if I don't want.
Your heart going down. I party ready. I will pay my dues.
Hey, what man? I hear she crew. Said Clebos said, Alam, but it's a hippo. Yeah, man. And watch out for the health work too, man. I believe we all support one thing. We all want to do some better thing for our community. And yeah, part of my shutter movement, you know, Chamber has also tried to organize a health. The info stay Facebook, so anybody, you know, you just want support to, it's good. You know, it's part of my Rain album launch, and you know, we go have our float too. And watch out that they can't release my album cover too. It's gonna be mad. So people should watch out for the Rain album. It's been great, man. Shout out to everybody where it, you know, use the logo and it believe in whatever the logo says. It says God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. That's the Trinity, and you know that be where God has brought us to. You know that's why we say the rain. You understand me? So the logo you see there, you have that significance of in we get God in touching stone. And I want to make everybody to know, say, you know, aim for serious work. You know, everybody across the world, anywhere where you want to book me now, because next year I'm going to be touring, you know, a whole lot of places, and I, you know, wouldn't mind passing through certain countries. So any promoter to where you did there, where if you say, you know, you want to link up, my Twitter inbox stay there. Just inbox me. Let's just, you know, do business. I love you all. Shatta Wale, 100%. Champion.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.